Hi, Terry here from DotPointz. So what if you don't agree with management decisions? Do you leave or do you stay? That really does depend primarily on your financial situation. So if money is no object for you, then of course you have the choice to leave. But if money is a consideration for you and you can't just up and leave the job, how do you frame your concerns about management decisions and still stay happily in the role? Well, there's a few things that you can do that we hope will help you. The first is to remember that there are bigger things in play that you may not know about as someone in the middle to lower tiers of an organization. So when management are making decisions, there's a whole lot of things that perhaps aren't being made public to the company, and reasons. It might be the competitive nature of your particular industry. It might be some other political things going on in the company. So the decision that comes out that you might be reading or you might be hearing in meetings, just know there's a whole lot more going on that you don't know. There's a whole lot more context that may not be shared with everybody in the company, and there'll be good reasons for that. So just frame it and understand that, oh, perhaps I don't know all the reasons why management have made this decision. You may feel that you want to send a signal or a message to management by making a statement and leaving the company, but just understand that nobody is indispensable. Everybody can be replaced. You might make a statement for a whole of half a day until someone else moves into your role and keeps it going and works along happily and fine. So whenever you leave or you want to be tempted to think like that, just know that you create a vacuum of an opportunity. Someone else will move in. You're actually not making the statement that you think you are. The next piece of advice we would give you is to narrow your focus on what you can control. You can control the quality of your work. You can control the morale in your team by being solutions focused and participative. You can control your own workload and how quickly and effectively you do that. What you can't control are management decisions. You might be able to have an opportunity to have your say and to provide a voice and solutions to different things when asked, but just focus on what you can control and leave what you can't control to those who have a little bit more power than you in the workplace. The other thing to consider too is that no matter what company you work in, there are going to be similar matters. There will always be decisions made by those who run the company, own the company, or are senior managers that you may not agree with. So just know that you could go from one company to the next and find similar experiences in another company. So, if something really bothers you, by all means, respectfully express your view, but then we suggest you just get on with the job. You're paid to do a job. If you've expressed your view and management don't take it on board, that is their decision, not yours. So release the pressure and the stress off yourself and just don't worry about what you can't control. So we suggest then, don't be rash, don't be emotional. Put those things aside, be really pragmatic. And if something really does bother you about decisions that your company is making, make sure you've got something else to go to before you pull the plug. Be well in the workplace today.